They don't understand the process of finance, debit, credit, interest, borrowing money, how you borrow money, who you pay back. There used to be a line of people waiting to come and see me to talk about the finance. I had a call from a random number and I thought it was a client. It wasn't a client.
AI?
No, it was some guy trying to sell me some AI robot. It frustrated me, actually. Like, I'm calling them back thinking it's a client. I think AI can be used to streamline
Processes and stuff?
Processes and make things a bit less hands-on. But I don't think it'll be able to replace a personal human touch.
Thank you for coming in.
Has it started already?
Yeah, it has.
It's been rolling.
You never realise. Tell me a bit about yourself, what you do, your business.
My name's Montaha. Mon for short. Yeah, I'm an asset finance broker. So small asset finance brokerage here in the Watson.
What's asset finance mean?
Asset finance is pretty much financing anything except a home. Cars, machines, trucks, pretty much anything with a serial number. Like
A printer?
A printer.
Interesting.
Yeah, anything like call center equipment.
These cameras and laptops?
Cameras,
Nice.
Yeah. Plumbing cameras underground. It
Okay.
can be anything.
How long have you been doing this for?
Asset finance predominantly for 5 years.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
What made you get into it?
Or aside from the money aspect, I think it's the educating part of things. Like,
A lot of people don't know that you can even finance these kind of stuff, correct?
yeah. But it's not really about what kind of assets you finance. It's more about the process. So for the younger generation, so say, for instance, an 18 to 25-year-old that has never financed anything before, they don't understand the process of finance, debit, credit, interest, borrowing money, how you borrow money, who you pay back. So I think I like to educate because when I first left school, I actually studied teaching.
Interesting.
Yeah.
That's where it comes from. You're like a teacher for the asset finance game.
Yeah, and that's what kind of motivates me or makes me enjoy what I do. So I really take that time to invest into the younger first-time borrowers. Might not be a massive return right now, but it will be.
How long have you been in WhatsApp for? Around the corner?
Ooh.
A while?
No, 8 months now.
8 months, okay.
Yeah, I literally made sure I set it all up end of last year, December, to move in on the 1st of.
Nice.
Yeah.
Do you like being in this WhatsApp facility? Does it work well for you and your business?
Yeah, it does. Like, especially after coming from being in my industry 5 years, it's changed a lot. Obviously, peak COVID, I used to base myself out of dealerships predominantly, so I was still out there on the road, mobile, traveling all over Sydney.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I did. In 2 years, I clocked 70,000 Ks on a car. So it was good. You know, you meet people, you're always on the road. But then after COVID, everything shifted. Everything went online. It became virtual, electronic, visual. Like, there wasn't much face-to-face anymore. I literally used to sit at a dealership and there used to be a line of people, like, waiting to come and see me to talk about the finance, sign the contracts, blah, blah, blah. And then all of a sudden, you're not seeing anyone. So for 18 months, I worked from home. Now that took a serious toll, not just mentally, but also on the business as well, people not networking. So this has been a great positive impact on the business. Like, just being surrounded by other businesses who, face the same struggles. Also just having that routine in place, that structure in your day, waking up, getting ready and going to work and just, being there.
Do you feel like it's gone back to normal life where it's face-to-face is now becoming more preferred, even though there's these online options? Because I know that in all finance-based, not just asset finance-based, people are just doing everything online. Yeah. But then they're having, and I guess we're on this, a shit experience. Like, they're doing everything online and they're doing it without talking to someone. Yeah. I feel like people are missing that humane effect again. Yeah. Do you see that as well coming back?
Oh, yeah. I feel like that a lot of people still prefer that personal experience. Like, they still want to pick up the phone and speak to that one person instead of having some robot call you or, I don't know, the computer tell you, no, you can't get finance. Like, they prefer that one person and to talk you through the process. As much as you want to streamline everything and grow, I think there still needs to be that personal hands-on touch in your business. Yeah, and that's what I offer.
For the next 2 to 5 years, like, what do you envision your business heading? What would you like to get to?
2 to 5 years. I'm not retired now. I'm kidding.
I want to retire.
Be nice.
If let me ask you a question. If you were to retire, what would you do?
If I was to retire, what would I do?
If you kept retired in 5 years' time, where would you go? What would you do? What would you start?
A cat shelter.
A cat shelter? You like cats? Interesting. Okay. There you go.
If you must, I'll introduce you to my cat, Cheetos.
Looks like a big cat, man.
He's like a little cheetah.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, he is what I do. He is the reason I do what I do. No, I'm kidding.
Where do you envision the business being next 2 to 5 years?
2 to 5 years. Still personal. Like I obviously want growth.
Yep. What kind of growth? What's growth look like for you? Is it more people? Is it more?
Yeah, people, marketing, more online presence. Obviously build my network, but definitely to scale, but still be hands-on and be the person that's keeping it a personal, trusting relationship between the clients.
Yeah, that's right.
I don't want to scale or grow to the point where it's no longer a trusting business where people don't feel like they can pick up the phone and call me directly.
Well, I asked everyone that question, then I go straight into the next question, which is, do you feel like AI will affect your business eventually?
Funny you say that. I literally just had a call before. The reason I was late to this was because I had a call from a random number and I thought it was a client. It wasn't a client.
AI?
It was some guy trying to sell me some AI robot. Not AI robot, but it frustrated me actually. Like the fact that this person called, I'm calling them back thinking it's a client. And then he proceeds to tell me that it was actually a test to see how long it takes for me to call back. So then he can try and sell me some AI voicemail system in place. And at the end of it, I said, look, mate, just send me an email because you're just wasting my time and I'm late to something. And then he goes, oh, I don't think this is going to be a good fit. And it kind of hung up. So, no, I don't think AI. He hung up on me and I reported him a spec. Okay. I don't think AI is going to replace me.
Okay, good.
If that's what you're asking.
See, because a lot of people are worried about it, what the effects of it is, but I'm all about, I think humans come back to the equation more often.
I think AI can be used to streamline
processes and stuff.
Processes and make things a bit less hands-on, but I don't think it'll be able to replace a personal human touch.
Interesting, okay.
Yeah.
Last question, 100K. If you had 100K right now, what would you do? Where would you invest it for your business yourself? What would you do for 100K?
I would probably invest it into people.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, maybe 1 or 2 people to help build to help grow the business right now. Maybe a bit in marketing because I'm not massive on marketing at the moment.
Do you like marketing?
I hate it. I don't have a creative bone in my body. I suck at social media, all of it. Not just with the business, but personal as well. I'm just not I just don't have time to sit there and scroll. I used to, but just...
It's the social media world it's coming into now.
Yeah.
Everything's on social media these days. It's very scary. If you're not on nearly all these platforms, you tend to miss out on one. But again, everyone's got their own target audience.
Yeah.
Even people watching this now, they could be on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn. It's crazy how different audiences attract different social media types.
I think it's very beneficial and it's good if you are on there, like you get that exposure and you build that online brand. But I do see myself eventually getting there.
Thanks, Mon. I appreciate the chats.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.